18. Now, infrastructure investment trusts are picking up speed, and the first Invit listing is expected soon, which could be from the house of Sterlite Power, India Grid. If you take a look at CNBC TV 18's Nisha Poddar, who caught up with the top management of India Grid to understand Invit as a product and what it is that the company is offering in this 26,000 crore rupees fundraise.
The India Grid Trust will have 2 projects consisting of 8 lines and 2 substations across 4 states of India. These are all interstate projects with 35 years of contractual period, and the trust will also have a right of first offer on the balanced 8 assets belonging to the sponsor.
Okay, and Harsh, talking about the proceeds, 2,650 odd crore rupees, how are you going to use that for debt repayment also?
Yes, so out of the 2,600 crores that we raise, about 1,600 will go towards reduction of debt at the asset level, and 1,000 crore will go towards sponsor. We'll be able to reinvest that in the growth assets.
All right. When we talk, Pratik, about the returns to the investors, this is a combination or a hybrid product between equity as well as debt.
Right.
So what you get in terms of the unit which is listed, which is being traded, the premium on that could be the equity returns, and the kind of cash generated every 6 months that you disseminate is the debt product, which is the assured amount that goes out to them depending on how the company has performed. So debt plus equity. Can you elaborate on that investors will gain on 2 counts and how?
So I think, Nisha, you summarized it absolutely correct. That's exactly how it works. There is a cash that the assets generate, which if the assets do well, they will generate that amount of cash, and that is clearly articulated in our prospectus. And then the company has a strategy to grow the dividend by acquiring more assets in a value accretive manner. As and when those acquisitions happen, the dividend per unit can grow.
Over 3,000 odd crore rupees would be the total equity value of the company, and what are the drivers for valuation in your company for Invit listing?
Right, so valuation, exact valuation is something which we are not able to comment right now, and it will be determined by the book building process, and as and when we launch, we'll have more clarity on that. On the key drivers of the pricing, I think first is the asset quality, because there will be several Invit launches, so depending on the asset class will be the stability of cash flow, which will be a key determinant of pricing. The second is going to be the growth, that how many number of assets the trust have right on. The third is going to be governance. So I think these 3 aspects will determine the pricing.